Imagine this, you just finished college and you're about to start your career. New job means new salary, new clothes, new car. There's nothing wrong with the car you have, it's paid off, great on gas, and the insurance is cheap. But now that you make more money, it's time to upgrade your entire life. Because that will bring you happiness, right? You spend weeks comparing cars and memorizing their specifications until you find the perfect one. Driving it off the lot for the first time is sheer bliss. It's everything that you worked for up until that point. You even post a photo of it on Facebook so that people you haven't seen since high school will know just how hard of a worker you are. After a few weeks, the excitement wears off and it's not your new car anymore, it's just your car. A few months later and you find yourself on the cars.com app once again. There's got to be something newer, faster, better. When I was younger, I thought that buying a certain car would make me happy. But what really brought me happiness wasn't the physical car itself, but the trips that the car took me on, the friendships that I've made and strengthened through the automotive community, and the knowledge I've gained from operating this channel. I don't think there's anything wrong with having a nice car or even having something to work towards. But for me, that ambition has grown far beyond just making an expensive purchase. I want to be a better husband, friend, and content creator. Learning to live life in the moment and spending time with people I care about. There's a quote that says, "We teach best what we most need to learn," and I guess that's why I made this video. It's just something that I needed to hear, so thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Justin Buice. I make car videos. Subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one.